Hey David, if you could visit any famous landmark, where would you go?
That's a tough one. I think I'd love to visit the Eiffel Tower in Paris. It looks amazing in pictures.
Oh yes, I went there 2 years ago. The view from the top is beautiful, especially at night when the lights sparkle.
That sounds awesome. Did you take the stairs or the elevator?
The elevator. It's a long way up. What about you? Have you visited any landmarks?
Yeah, I've been to the Statue of Liberty in New York. It's big, much taller than I expected.
I've always wanted to go there. Did you go inside?
Yes, I went up to the crown. The stairs were narrow, but it was worth it for the view.
That's so cool. Another landmark I really liked was the Colosseum in Rome. It's full of history.
I've seen pictures of it. It must be amazing to stand where gladiators once fought.
It really is. And right nearby is the Roman Forum. I felt like I was walking through the past.
Sounds like you've traveled a lot. Have you been to any landmarks in the US?
Yes, I've been to Mount Rushmore. The faces carved into the mountain are huge.
I saw that when I was a kid. It's impressive. And I really liked the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco.
Oh yes, I walked across it once. It's windy, but the view of the bay is beautiful.
Do you prefer natural landmarks or man-made ones?
That's a good question. I think I like both, but natural landmarks feel more peaceful. What about you?
I enjoy both, too. I'd love to see the Grand Canyon someday. Have you been?
Yes, it's huge and colorful. No picture can show how amazing it really is.
I believe it. Maybe we should plan a trip to visit some new landmarks together.
That's a great idea. We can make a list of our top 5 places and start from there.
Deal. Landmarks are like windows into history and culture.
Exactly. And they make great memories.